Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video I'm going to be making a Pewdiepie Paper Puppet as well as a paper craft Pewdiepie signature gaming chair. I'm going to show step by step how I make Pewdiepie Paper Puppet. Let's get drawing. Notice at this point in the drawing it looks like I've got a potato or possibly a peanut with some headphones on. Oh, now it's looking a little bit more like Mr. T with a cashew and a goatee. And there we go, some signature solid eyebrows. Just adding in those happy details that make Pewdiepie.
Everything changes.
I put Pewdiepie in a sweatshirt, as well as some skinny jeans, and some shoes. For his sweatshirt, I'm going to be using a Goku Ghee Orange. For his skin tone, I'm just going to use a little dab of Peachy Keen. Color on those skinny jeans, give them a little rugged look. Going for that pre-worn look. So stylish. So stylish. Delicate hands for the gaming. For the beard, we're going for a little more sophisticated look. And then on top, that bleach blonde, a little more rebellious. And last but not least, those icy blues. Next we're going to cut him out. Snip, snippity snip. Just snip along all the lines, cut him out. It's okay if you're quick. You can leave a little white on there, it looks pretty good after you put everything together. Gives him a little bit of stylized style. Final step. Let's assemble the puppet. Poke holes in the arms and legs and the neck. Then make those holes even bigger with a pencil. Jam it in there. Gonna stick everything on with bendy pipe art cleaners. Using some Goku Ghee Orange for the top. Some perp nerps on the bottom for the hold on the legs. Make everything wiggly. There you go, that's how you make a Pewdiepie Paper Puppet. Now what to do with all this extra paper? Let's make a paper craft signature Pewdiepie gaming chair. That's right, Pewdiepie. Let's do it. So to build this, I'm going to draw out the template first. This model, of course, is top of the line with many pillows and plush and stitching and details. Give it that nice black leather sheen. Got the back pillow, upper, lower, and back punch or fisty thing. Some airflow in the back, as well as some topographical map lines to contour to your body. This is inspired by a Pewdiepie professional gaming chair. Stick around to the end to see what this chair can do. It is rather remarkable. You will not be disappointed. Now it's time to fold everything together. Fold up the base. Draw some heart shells. Fill them in. On the base as well as the legs. And then roll up So those little wheels. That's how you roll up a wheel. Just two little circles and then roll up the top part. And once we have it all together, we'll put some safety rails on the side. Safety first. There you have it. That's how you make a Pewdiepie signature gaming chair. Pewdiepie here. Hi guys, Pewdiepie. As I mentioned, I have a personalized chair, and it's only, get this, only $3.99. But can it do this? Huh? Can it do this? Can it do this? Huh? Huh? But can it do this? Think about it. It's a great price. One. Twice. $3.99. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, peace.